Check out this Kia 2019 Sorento 2.4 LLX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 185 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.